Hey guys, in this video we will look at the cycling shoes for narrow feet reviews in the market. So, if you are looking to buy one, then this video is for you. Please check out the description below and all of our products that we've included with their respective buy links. Number 1. Tommaso Pista Women's Indoor Cycling Shoe. Above all, this cycling shoe contains features that are highly workable for a woman rider. You know what, this type of shoe should be not only comfortable but also be full of quality materials. Therefore, this Tommaso Pista can be a perfect example of cycling shoes. Meanwhile, this shoe comes in from synthetic leather with a Velcro strap. After that, you can fasten the upper to the sole using this strap. Certainly, it is a performance enhancer shoe for those who want to improve their pedal stroke and cadence. What we like. You will find this cycling shoe as the most effective performance enhancer for the women's rider. This model has a soft, contented, and breathable mesh upper with an easy-to-use hook and loop closure system. We didn't like. This cycling shoe is a little weighty in comparison with other shoes for riding. Number 2. Gavin Road Bike Mesh Cycling Shoes. Gavin, a reputed brand, has crafted this pair of shoes as one of the most comfortable cycling shoes. Most importantly, it has a 4-way stretch mesh upper. In fact, the upper is lightweight and breathable. This model also features iconic eyelets for ventilation. However, Gavin has added some other features as well. Above all, it ensures the best level of ankle protection. Besides, it assists the rider in keeping moving forward. In this way, this cycling shoe has gained much attention and love from cyclists. What we like. Enjoyable experience in riding. Ensure maximum comfort and protection. What we didn't like. It comes at a high price. Number 3. Physique R1 UOMO BOA Road Cycling Shoes. Well, our list of the best cycling shoes for narrow feet includes a premium model from Physique. Certainly, this model contains amazing features for the riders. It brings together technology and comfort to create the perfect cycling shoe. Therefore, this brand has combined its expertise to craft the shoes. Lastly, the soles of this model are utterly soft but strong. Therefore, you will not find that the soles decay very slowly. Here, the stylish pattern is the core fact to consider. Besides, the cyclist will have 5 different color options to choose one. What we like. Most popular and trusted brands in the world. Physique comes with a trendy fit, luxury, sturdiness, and stylish design. What we didn't like. Little weak, and the stitched lining is not good enough. Number 4. Tommaso Strata Aria Knit Lace-Up Indoor Cycling Shoe. Certainly, this model is one of the best indoor cycling shoes. As a reputed brand, Tommaso has the vision to craft customizable shoes. It means you can modify your pair of shoes based on your need. In this continuation, the manufacturer has entered into the market with a wide range of products. Here is their current lineup of this model. On the other hand, it has added a long-lasting sole with good grip even in muddy conditions. You can grab this cycling shoe in 3 separate versions. That is why, this model is one of the best-selling shoes in the market. Above all, it is a precious model which serves with key features. What we like. Narrow-fit cycling shoe for indoor cycling and peloton. The brand has used XD-knit technology to increase the efficacy of this model. What we didn't like. It is not the easiest cycling shoes for the users to put on or take it off. Number 5. Gavin Road Cycling Shoe. This model, with apt features, has become one of the best cycling shoes on road for narrow feet. Here, this cycling shoe has entered the industry with an unusual design. The first thing you notice about the shoe is that it looks like a normal running shoe. Besides, it has the efficacy to retain your feet dry and cool throughout a long ride. You know what? The cyclists find this model as the handy one for mountain cycle riding. Therefore, most of them collect this shoe for intensive use. In addition, you can name this model as the confidence booster. Truly, this model is a perfect example of superior footwear. What we like. The weight of this pair of shoes is very low in comparison with other cycling shoes on the market. You can wear this cycling shoe all day without dealing with any big issues actually. What we didn't like. You will find that this pair is not highly durable to deliver continuous service for a long. We hope you loved the video and please tell us which products we should review next in our comments section. Thank you for spending time on our video. Please remember that there are links in the description of all products shown today.